Hello. In this video, we will be discussing reports, which live here in the connector admin. All data entered here in the connector, whether that's for schedules or appointment outcomes, is exportable into a report, which you can find here. The appointment detail report is probably our most comprehensive consumer appointment report in the connector, which organizes all of the fields on the consumer appointments page into a downloadable Excel document. After clicking Show Filters, you select the criteria you're interested in here, then click the Filter Results box. Once you have the results you're interested in for your report, you'll scroll back to the top and click Spreadsheet. Your report will then be exported into an Excel file. The remaining reports, all of which have the Show Filters box in the top right corner, can use this filter box to select the search criteria to download the report that fits their needs. All of the connector reports can be used for federal or grant purposes.